Alright, so my best kept secret is this. I'm using a budget microphone, and it's the MXL 990. I picked up 2 of these microphones a couple months ago on a deal on Amazon where I got 2 for $150. Came with its own carrying case and its cords. And ever since then, you know what? I haven't grabbed my expensive $700 mics in a while. I've been using these MXLs for almost every live stream I do. And you know what? I've found some great reasons to use these without breaking your bank. Just buy at your budget. I'm just talking into it right now, and take a listen to how it sounds on the voice. I'm not in a treated room, so you're probably hearing a little of the room noise as well. And I'm getting the audio straight into my iPhone and just pressing record. So I have it going into a mixer board, and my mixer board has a USB out. Then the USB is just going into an adapter that then is going into my iPhone. So I wanted to do this simple with no processing whatsoever, so you get to hear the true sound of the MXL 990. And so it takes the pressure off needing to use your mics that you normally use in your studio that are kept, very protected. So you could throw these outside and not worry about it if the wind gets to it, or using it by the ocean. Relatively low risk. If something happens to it, you could easily replace it. So I'm here at my Yamaha C7 where I have the 2 MXL microphones, one on the treble and one on the bass, and it's going into my 15-year-old mixer. So the 2 MXLs are right here, channel 1 and channel 2. Let's try out the piano. So it sounds really great. I got the MXLs dialed in pretty well. If you take a look at my mixer board, everything is pretty even. I have a good gain structure. I'm just adding a little bit of low end to both MXLs, taking off a little bit of the highs, and adding a little reverb. It looks like I have a plate reverb on the 2 MXLs, just to add a little ambience. And you know what, guys? That's pretty much it. These mics sound awesome on my piano. So that was my review of the MXL 990. As you can see, there's so many uses for a budget mic in anybody's studio setup or live streaming rig. So yeah, check it out, you guys. The MXL is awesome, and it's just an overall workhorse mic that sounds pretty much good on everything from acoustic piano to vocals and everything in between. If you're interested in how I use both of my MXLs going through my Apollo with some awesome plugins, you can check this video up there. And yeah, it shows you how I configure everything, and it's really cool to see budget mics in action with some great gear like the Apollo. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.